Hey everybody, this is Sonia with Melanin Goddess Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I am currently getting ready to dress a candle for a client that ordered court case candles. So this client ordered a court case candle. You see here, which I've already put the label on it. It says court case candle. And then down here, I put in favorable judgment. It's a representation of the court case. And then this client also ordered a law stay away candle, which is the label here, law stay away. It has the person in jail and all of that. So I thought this would be a good video that we can just kind of watch me dress this candle. I've already cleansed the candle. Actually, might cleanse it again. But as always, I cleanse the candle before I send them off. However, I say this with everyone, whether you are dressing your own candles or you are purchasing candles from someone, you want to make sure that you are cleansing your own candle because you want to make sure that there is no outside energy or as less outside energy as possible. You want to make sure that you are putting your energy in it. I personally will cleanse the candle myself. That's just something that I like to do for my clients. However, I always strongly suggest that you cleanse yourself. So I'm going to use some Palo Santo to cleanse. And I want to cleanse away any additional energies that may be on this candle, any negative energy that may be on this candle. You just want to cleanse it and have a fresh energy. Already put the holes in the candle, and as you guys might know that I like the number 3. So I have put 3 holes in the candles before we got started. So these are the 3 holes. I've already chosen the herbs that I'm going to use and chosen some of the oils that I'm going to use in the candle. So I'm going to start with, because it's a court case, we want to have fresh energy, fresh favorable energy for the best outcome for my client. So I'm going to start with a blockbuster. So blockbuster oil is oil you would use to knock out any obstacles, any barriers, anything that could be holding you up from a favorable outcome with whatever it is you're trying to manifest in your life or bring into your life. I usually follow up with a blockbuster with a road opener oil because we want the roads to be clear and open for this person to have a favorable blessing or outcome to come to them. Keep in mind when you are adding your herbs and your oils to your candles, you want to speak into your candles. You want to speak into your herbs and your oils that you're using. You want to give instructions to what it is that you want this candle to do and these particular herbs and oils to do. Because you have to remember that herbs and oils are multi-purpose. They will have different uses for them. So the universe is waiting for instruction as to what it is you want these particular instructions to the universe, as to what you want these items to do and what you want this vessel to do. The candle is the vessel. You are the energy, you are the magic. So what else can I put in here? I have some court case oil. I'm going to wait to put that in last as a topper. So I'm going to put in some controlling oil because I want my client to be able to control the outcome of this, to control the situation. I want everything to be within my client's control around whatever this legal situation they have going on at this time. So I've added my oils down into my holes. And that is the reason why I put the holes in, so you can add the oils down in there so it can infuse itself throughout the candle. One of the things that I'm going to now use is celandine. Celandine is an herb. It looks like this. And it is for protection, happiness, legal matters, luck, depression, and dreams. So remember I said things can be multi-uses, multi-purposes. So I like to use my hands. Sometimes I use a spoon, but to use my hands. And I like to pinch the herbs because I feel like that's an activation. That's me putting my energy into activating these herbs. And so I have a personal relationship with them. These are my herbs. I've blessed them, and so I feel like I'm the person that can activate them. So again, less is more. Just because you put a lot of stuff in here does not make the spell or the manifestation work any better. And please keep in mind when you're dressing your candles, you don't want to put a lot of herbs and oils in there because it will catch fire if you're not careful. And again, we are spiritual beings on this earth having an earthly experience, but we do need to practice fire safety and practice, common sense when we're working with these types of things. Now, the next thing I'm going to put in here is elderflowers. And elderflowers are good for protection. They ward off illness, and they're protection from the law. So I'm actually going to use the elderflower in the Stay Away candle. So yeah, these candles are going to be dressed a little bit differently, and I go basically on how spirit guides me. The next thing we're going to use is thyme, which is for legal battles, protection, good health. This also helps with psychic abilities and purification. So this helps with legal battles. So I want to dress them a little bit differently because I feel like these candles may have a different purpose, even though they're working together. So I'm going to put the thyme in the court case candle. Okay. So when you're dressing your candle, you're going to go on spirit and what spirit directs you to do. Now, the next thing I'm going to use is I use this on everything. Star of Anise. Star of Anise brings good luck. And of course, we want good luck in this spell. It also brings love, money, and health, and it wards off evil. So I use Star of Anise pretty much in everything. So pinching, placing the herbs in a clockwise motion because we want to draw a favorable outcome to ourselves. So we're going to put things in a clockwise motion. And tell y'all everything that I'm using, but just know that I'm not using the rosemary because that's not really what I want to use in this particular work. So I'm not going to tell you what this one is because this is a special one. And I want to tell you all my secrets. Just know it's for this court case. I have another one here that is really good for communication. And we do need to have effective communication, especially if we're having someone to represent us. So this is going to be really geared at the attorney involved that's representing my client. And also for my client, so they can have effective communication, being able to articulate effectively. This is another one, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. And finally, the final thing that I'm going to put in here is what I put in all my spell work, chamomile. Chamomile is for peace. What else? Protection, purification, calming a situation, good luck. It's good luck with gambling and peace of mind. So I use chamomile in everything. Just like I use Star of Anise pretty much in everything, I use chamomile pretty much in everything. So that's what I'm using on these two candles. Because of course we want peace in the situation. So I'm going to move some of these herbs around because I do want some of them to get down in the hole. I don't want them all just to sit on top. So you kind of move them around with your finger or with whatever tool or item you want to use. So now I'm going to put the court case oil on. This is to bring a favorable outcome to my client. I'm going to use some Crown of Success, because guess what? We want success over this case in my client's favor. So you hear me continually speaking to the tools that I'm using. I'm giving them direction. I'm giving them instruction. And the last thing we're going to use is some manifestation oil, because what? We want to manifest a favorable outcome. Now, and that's it. This is the law, stay away. This is the court case. Let's see what else. I'm going to put a little color to it. And I use blue in my court case because blue represents court cases, but it represents peace. It represents calming of a situation. So I want to use that. Now, you notice the law stay away candle is 2 colors. So it's blue at the top for peace and yellow is success over the situation. So I'm going to put in a little gold shimmer, because everything is a tool. Colors are a tool. So I'm going to put in a little gold shimmer. And I might put in a little blue. And I'm going to put in some silver. I'm going to put in some silver. And I'm going to put in some gold. You don't have to put in a lot. So this is how they look now. All right. So I'm going to finish these up, box them up, and send them to my client. Again, I've spoken my energy. When my client gets them, they can either, write a petition with regards to what they want the outcome to be to their court case. So they can write it on a separate sheet of paper. They can attach it around the candle or put it underneath. They actually can write their petition on here, okay, because this is good for writing. Their petition on here, whatever it is, or they could just speak what it is that they want, light their candle, and send that energy to the universe, to God, to higher power, whatever they choose to send this to, or just the energy within themselves to manifest a favorable outcome. Now, if you are interested in purchasing any manifestation candles, you can visit my website at www.melaningoddesslife.biz. I'm also on Etsy. I just recently went back to Etsy, so I'm on Etsy at Melanin Goddess Life. You can get your candles through there. If you're interested in getting a personal reading for me, you would need to schedule through my website, again, of www.melaningoddesslife.biz. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on the social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.